Okay, so you know how to install Windows, but which version should you choose? Let's meticulously compare and contrast the Windows editions in your rapid review of Objective 1.3. First, the exam covers Windows 10 set to end support on October 14, 2025, and Windows 11. Remember that Windows 11 features a new user interface, integrates Teams and Copilot AI, and most importantly, it is 64-bit only, dropping all support for 32-bit CPUs. Let's start with Windows Home. This is the consumer baseline. It includes Windows Defender Antivirus, Cortana Voice Assistant, and integrates with a Microsoft account. For networking, it uses a decentralized workgroup, which is like a set of individual apartments, each managing themselves. Home Edition cannot join a corporate domain. For security, Windows 11 Home includes device encryption. For remote access, it can only be an RDP client, and it completely lacks the group policy editor, gpedit.msc. Now, let's upgrade to Windows Pro, the business standard. This version adds the essential corporate toolkit. Most importantly, it can join a domain, which is like a large office building managed from a central security office called Active Directory Domain Services. Pro adds BitLocker for full disk encryption, or FDE. It can act as an RDP host for remote support and includes Hyper-V for virtualization. It also enables group policy. For a single PC, you use the local group policy editor, gpedit.msc. For the whole network, you use the Group Policy Management Console, gpmc.msc. For truly high-end hardware, there's Windows 10 Pro for workstations. This is for power users, supporting up to 4 physical CPUs and the Resilient File System, or REFS. For large-scale deployments, Windows Enterprise uses volume licensing. It adds advanced tools like BitLocker to control applications, branch cache to save network bandwidth, granular user experience control, and in Windows 11, advanced mobile device management, MDM, and mobile application management, MAM. Now for the critical RAM limitations. All 32-bit Windows 10 editions are capped at just 4 GB. For 64-bit systems, the numbers scale up dramatically. Windows Home supports up to 128 GB. Windows Pro jumps to 2 TB. And Pro for Workstations and Enterprise support a massive 6 TB of RAM. For encryption, remember the critical difference. EFS, the encrypting file system, can encrypt individual files and folders and is available in all editions. BitLocker provides full disk encryption and is only in Pro and Enterprise. Use the mnemonic BITS. BitLocker is for business. Lastly, remember N versions are for Europe and have no media player, but this can be added back with the Media Feature Pack. Also, for Windows 11, hardware requirements like TPM 2.0 and a UEFI BIOS are mandatory. That covers the critical details for this objective. To recap, Windows 11 is 64-bit only and requires TPM and UEFI. Home Edition uses a workgroup. Pro Edition joins a domain managed by Active Directory. Pro adds the Business Toolkit, BitLocker for full disk encryption, RDP host, Hyper-V, and group policy management. Remember the 64-bit RAM limits. Home is 128 GB, Pro is 2 TB, and Enterprise is 6 TB. Enterprise adds advanced controls like BitLocker, branch cache, and MDM. And finally, BitLocker encrypts the full disk for business, while EFS encrypts individual files for everyone.